back to my channel. I'm Shrishti and if you're new, welcome. So today, as you can see in the title given below, I am doing a ColourPop haul plus review, plus I'll be telling you everything like from where I bought it and how much time it took and what shipping options I took and whether I was accustomed to pay any custom duties or anything. So without much further ado, let's get into the video. Now, ColourPop has been my love at first sight makeup website, although I never used their products because like the range of eyeshadow palettes they provide, especially the ones the color based ones and also the theme based ones like from Disney the Mulan palette. Oh my god, I loved it. This is my first time ordering anything from ColourPop, so I placed the order on 4th of September and I received it today, which is 29th of September. That is because I took standard shipping instead of what do we call it, क्या कहते हैं उसको, except for express shipping or something. I don't exactly know the name, but I took standard shipping, which took me like about 3 weeks, 4th to 29, and I got the package today, and this here is the package. So when I open it, you can see ColourPop written on it, and then I got this bill here, and which lists the 7 items that I got, and this thanks a latte card, which is really very cute. So I actually got 6 eyeshadow palettes and 1 Soul body wear. So I'll be showing you how it was packaged. So it was all very securely packaged like this, and when I open it, like I'm opening it for the second or third time, and all of the palettes were very securely packed like this. So I'm going to be showing you all of these palettes one by one. So give me a minute for I'm gonna clean the table first. So here it is, and the first one is Going Coconuts, and just look at this packaging. Even the outer cover is so smooth and pretty. I love it. I was so excited. I was jumping all around the room when it came to my house. So this is the palette, and when I open it, there was this cover for protection, and here is this beauty, and I am in love. I haven't even worked with them yet and I already love them. So the packing is beautiful, the packaging is beautiful, and I have no complaints. Like the box is very not even light, and it is heavy and hard, and I know that my shadows will be safe, and it's so beautiful and so pretty. Also, this name of the shades are written at the back as well as along the shade. See here, like this, and also you look at this. So if I pull on it, I get a mirror, and oh my god, the mirror is beauty. And also I did not notice it. My sister was the one who pointed it out that Didi, all of these have mirrors in it. and I was so happy. The second one is Baby Got Peach, and I'll be quickly showing you like all the 6 of these babies. So same, I open it. Oh, sorry. This is the actual box, and then I open it. So pretty, like so pretty. I'll do a swatch from this one. This orange in the name Akr, like Cardi B. Let me try that time. Akr. So this is the name of this color, and this Centerfold. So I'll be doing swatches of these two. Oh my god, the consistency is so creamy. This is the first time I'm going into this palette. And here, just look at these beautiful colors. Oh my god, I love them already, and it's still on my fingers. So the next, I'm progressing in twos, and I'm going from my least favorite to most favorite. Don't judge me. So the next are Inner Trance. Oh my god, I really love this one. It has those beautiful blue and pink pastels, which I am in love with. Just look at this color. Oh my god. And also, are you ready for this? I'm not. Just beautiful. So pretty. Now you all must be thinking that I'm being very dramatic, but this is the actual representation of me being excited for these palettes. And you can't even think about those 3 weeks that I have anticipated their arrival. Just look at this. This is my favorite color besides black. My favorite color. And now the last two. What happened was, I ordered Blue Moon, but I wanted to order Blue Moon, but it was out of stock because it's so pretty and everything. So I got Baby Got Peach instead of Blue Moon. But if I had the option, I would have definitely ordered Blue Moon. Now the next is the 5th one, Orange You Glad, and let me tell you, this is so freaking pretty. I tried to find a palette from an Indian brand or even Huda Beauty. I looked into it, but there was no brand which provided this beautiful range of orange. And this, just my luck, and I'm feeling very lucky. I found that this palette had the prettiest packing because, I don't know, just the placement of its name and everything. So when I open it, boom. I have no words for these colors, These are just too pretty. Too pretty. And damn, I love them so much. Oh my god. Only if I could marry ColourPop. Okay, now, so moving on. I love these palettes, but I won't be showing you any makeup today. Reason one being, this video is already going to be a long video because I'll be telling you the procedure and everything, and I also showed you all of these palettes. So from number one, from where I ordered it off from the official website, which is colourpop.com, and there was a sale going on where I got these ones for So I got these babies on a sale for $9, but it actually cost $12. Each of these palettes cost $12 each. So the range starts from $12 and it goes on like 15, 25. So for the first time I wanted to try these. I got 6 of them, and then what I did was there was, because of the sale, it was like if you order for more than $60 you get free shipping. So I ordered these and I got free shipping, and instead of the express one I took standard shipping. So this is how I ordered them, and after this standard shipping these were delivered to me by the postal provider DHL. And I have seen in many videos that people are not satisfied with DHL. I tried the tracking for this. Like when you order this, you get a mail after placing the order. You get a mail with the tracking number, order number, and details of your billing address and shipping address. So when you get the tracking address, Colourpop provides, when you search Colourpop tracking, they provide 3 links, and on the third one, I opened it. It was DHL tracking something. So I opened that and I put down my tracking number, and they from there I could see where my order was, the parcel was. So I was not very satisfied, because on 28th something happened on 28th. Like it showed that the delivery failed, but actually nobody came and no one called. So I was very worried. So I got my uncle to call the customer care and look into it and to see from where the pallet is actually. So they found out that I live in Lucknow. So it was showing that it arrived in Lucknow on 28th, but it actually didn't, and it arrived in Delhi. And from Delhi on the night of 28th or in evening something, it was sent to Lucknow, and I got this today morning around 11:30 something. So they that was really worrying. And it also does not provide ki kitna time how much time it's going to take, or kitne din lagenge. They don't tell you ki exactly how many days it's going to take. So one more thing was that I got my uncle to order it from the US. So the billing address was from the local address, and the shipping address was this one. So I haven't really ordered it was from my account or something, my mail. So also because it was in sale, I did not get any coupons or something. So I got I ordered it. So the order was for $61, which converts to 4,500 something rupees, and the shipping was totally free. So now coming to customs. So this was the point that worried me a lot, and I just could not understand whether I will be charged any custom fee or not. So Colourpop says that when you are placing the order, they include the VAT and the taxes. So we are not accustomed to any customs from their side. But it also says on the website that if the country puts some taxes or customs, they charge us some customs, so they are not responsible for it. So I was very worried whether I'll be paying any customs or not, because it is around 50% of what you order. So my order was 4,500 something. So I would have paid the amount. It's not very big, but for ordering these and then giving this much amount of money, I know it's not fair, but it is what it is. So I researched and found that maximum people did not have to pay customs when ordering from Colourpop in India. Like, I looked at a lot of videos and nobody had to pay customs, maybe because they paid free shipping or something. Even I did not have to pay any custom fee. Now this could be because of the free shipping, like after ordering of $60. So after being eligible for the free shipping, I think that is one reason why I did not have to pay customs. I have noticed the good thing about ordering from Colourpop and also the free shipping thing is that most of the people were not charged any customs and they did not have to pay any custom duty. So I loved that about it. And the next is I already told you that it took from 4th to 29th to reach me, but I am willing to wait for it if I get the standard shipping and it is shipped to me safely and I am charged no extra amount, so it was worth it. So coming to conclusion, this was the review and to sum it up, I loved the packaging. The colors are beautiful, the pigmentation is beautiful. I did not show any makeup from these palettes, but go on my Instagram right now. I'll put my username somewhere here. Go on my Instagram right now because I'll be creating 6 looks from each of these palettes, dedicated to each of these palettes every day. And also I upload stories and videos and many skincare routines and stuff on my Instagram daily except for Sundays. So don't miss it and go to my Instagram right now and press that follow button. Also don't forget, I'll be creating 6 looks dedicated to each of these palettes. So don't miss it if you want to see how the colors go on Indian skin and everything. Now, summing the video up, the experience was good. Colourpop, the official website of Colourpop was amazing, and they also guarantee you that if your parcel gets lost or something and it does not reach you in a month and like more than a month, if it's taken you 5 to 6 weeks and it's still not there, so they will refund you the whole amount, and which was very comforting. So do shop from Colourpop. I recommend it 100%, and I just love their official website, and I'll be doing the second haul really soon sometime. And don't forget to subscribe and click that like button. Also press that notification bell because you really don't want to miss any videos from me. And don't you dare forget to go to my Instagram if you want to check out all of these looks that I'm going to be creating from these palettes. So bye for today, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye. Kayla.